Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show with Sander. Today, we will explore how to install Ubuntu Linux using something that I have already installed on my Ubuntu machine, which is a virtual environment, so I can record this for you. Ubuntu is a free open source operating system perfect for reviving all computers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with why Ubuntu is such a great choice. It's lightweight, fast, and works with a wide range of hardware, including older machines that can handle modern operating systems. Plus, it comes with essential software like browsers, office tools, and multimedia applications. All of that for free. In this video, I will use Ubuntu virtual environment to install Ubuntu so you can see the steps and how easy it is. First, make sure that you have the USB with the image of Ubuntu. If you need further help, there are some instructions and tutorials on the Ubuntu official website on how to get this done. Okay, so don't worry about all the other parts of the screen that you would see on this video. I will try to guide you and narrate some of the specific key steps that you have to do. As you can see on my background, I already have it. So the first option for you to select is to install Ubuntu. It will take some time to load the interface, and then it's basically read, understand, and follow the instructions. Simply follow the prompts and click where you need to. So when you see the pop-up or the window where you have to select your language, that is where you start. If you want to select any different language apart from English for your operating system, by all means you can, and you have plenty of options in there. Click on next once you have done that. Click on next is just a prompt for accessibility. Make sure that your keyboard is the correct one and aligns with the language. You can select if you want to have a wireless or a wired connection. It's much better if you have a wired one, just to make it easier, faster, and simple. Then click on install Ubuntu, and you would have the option of an interactive installation in there, which is the one that you are going to choose. Then click on next after that. You have a couple of options in there. The default selection, just the essentials, web browser and basic utilities, or the extended selection, an offline friendly selection of office tools, utilities, and web browser, depending on what you want and what you would use. Then it would take a little bit more time when doing the installation. So select the best one for you and click on next. Once you have done that, then you have the install recommended proprietary software. Click on yes to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, as well as the downloads for install for support additional media formats. This would simply give you more. On my video I unticked them, so I would make the installation quicker and the recording of this video. Click on next. So how do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu, or manual installation for advanced users? I would select the first one, erase disk and install Ubuntu, and click on next. Now to create your account, you can type any name that you want. You can type your own name, or you can select a username that you prefer. Now, as you notice, when you start typing, the second field in there is gonna be the computer name that is gonna be assigned to that machine. And if you notice, it's a combination of your name dash something else. Then you select the username, which is different from the first field, as you can see from the username field, and then you will type the password. Now you have the option to require when you are logging in or not. That depends on what your preference is. If you wanted to ask you and to have to type every time that you turn the computer on, or if you want to simply let it log in automatically. The next option shows you in there the word, which is where you are located for your date and time zone. Select the best one that describes your location, and that way the date and time will be automatically set. After that, it shows you to review your choices, which are the options. It would show you a few other details in there, and simply click on install. Now once you do that, the system will start showing you different information and details related to Ubuntu, and it would finish the installation, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and for listening. I really hope that this video was educational for you and that you got out something that could help you in the future. This is the show with Sander. My name is Sander. Thank you, and until next time. Ciao.